Hi, I'm Venkatesh. Welcome to Money Anchors. For today's video of Market Outlook, I'm missing the two other partners, Kashyap and Pawan. Both of them have been traveling, and hence I will try and cover the entire market outlook for you. Talking about global markets, the US markets have not done that bad, given that the Fed had already announced the increase of the repo rate by 50 bps. However, in the last two trading sessions, the investors still continue to have the fear that it may go higher than 50 to about 75 or so, and there was a lot of selling pressure because of the same. European markets have, however, done very badly, and 3 out of 5 trading sessions have gone red. Coming to the Indian market, the sudden announcement by the RBI governor to increase our repo rate to 40 bps has spooked the market, and there has been a tremendous selling pressure, and the panic selling has led to a sudden downfall of Nifty. So Nifty had been taking a good support at 16,800, and due to this sudden announcement, it has fallen to 16,300 and 16,400 levels. Coming to the last week Nifty, whatever we had predicted with respect to the support and resistance did not work out, primarily because of this sudden announcement from the RBI governor, and the third support levels of 16,650 could not be retained. And Nifty fell way below this, and it almost had touched 16,300. However, there has been a little bit of a buying there, and right now we are looking at 16,400 to be a resistance level. The last 15-minute closing candle of Friday, we have seen a slight bullish candle, and we anticipate some recovery to happen. 16,463 seems to be a crucial resistance level, and only if market remains to be above 16,400 decisively that we can anticipate that Nifty going up to 16,600. Coming to India Volatility Index, VIX has been on the higher side, and right now it is at 21.25. And unless the VIX falls below 20, the volatility is going to be very high in the market. This is not a good sign for sure. Looking at open interest, we see 3.2 million contracts at 16,000 levels, and there are many strong call contracts at 16,700, 16,800 and 16,900. 16,700 is at 4.7 million contracts. So let's talk about key support and resistance levels. For upcoming week, key resistance levels is at 16,483 and 16,555. Key support levels are at 16,300 and 16,268. For a strangle, I think the good range could be around 16,100 to 16,600. However, anticipate a lot of volatility to happen. Talking about PCR, PCR is at the moment bearish and stands at 0.5. If the markets were to go slightly more below and is at 0.4, we can anticipate some sort of a reversal. So let's talk about FIA and DIA data. Last week, FIA were net sellers of 12,733 crores. DIA have been net buyers of around 8,533 crores. FIA continue to sell large quantities in the Indian market. Talking about crude oil and gold prices, crude oil has shot up and right now is at $110 per barrel, and gold prices has seen a slight increase. Let's talk about what happened to blue chip stocks from last week. Infy has fallen from 1588 to 1543 levels. HDFC has fallen from 2194 to 2150. Reliance has fallen from 2786 to 2620. TCS has fallen from 3,500 levels to 3,432. So just to summarize, we anticipate a slight gap up on Monday morning markets. However, there could be a lot of selling pressure. Since it's a volatile market, it's difficult to predict a bearish or a bullish trend. If we have to take a stand, market may go sideways or it could show a slightly more bearish sign. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Happy trading.